You don't need another technician. You need a master craftsman. Precision, reliability, and care for any technical challenge. You need Bravo Technologies. The modern technical landscape is a maze of specialization. You're juggling multiple vendors, each with a narrow view. Finding a single expert is nearly impossible. When the problem is unique, who do you call? Your guide through the maze, Bravo Technologies. Over 25 years of hands-on experience, serving Middle Tennessee for over 2 decades. Premium, white-glove technical services. Our headquarters are in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. An unparalleled breadth of expertise. True mastery is about understanding how everything works together. Our expertise is organized into 3 core pillars: business and office systems, specialized in industrial equipment, and vehicle and mobile systems. Expertise in business and office systems. We ensure seamless efficiency. Services include computers and networking, CRM ERP implementation, printers and copiers, office equipment and automation, AV systems integration, and smart home and office systems. Mastery of specialized and industrial equipment. We go where standard technicians can't. Services include CNC machines and equipment, laser engravers and cutters, high-end and vintage electronics, power tools and equipment, coin-op, games and vending, and off-lease equipment remarketing. Solutions for vehicle and mobile systems. We deliver high-performance, reliable electronics integration. Services include marine electronics, aftermarket systems upfitting, mobile sound systems, motorcycle and ATV systems, emergency signaling equipment, and communications and LMR. It's not just a job, it's a passion for solving puzzles. The most challenging problems are the most rewarding to solve. Explore more projects and deep dives on our blog, such as the Flamethrower or the Thunder Odotelemetry project. The evidence of trust, our work in our clients' words. We build long-term partnerships founded on professionalism, expertise, and commitment. He drove to us and fixed it. If you ever need laser support, Brian is your guy. Charles N. Having Mr. Bell available for fast, reliable, in-person tech support has been a game changer. Beth P. A professional process built on clarity and trust. The process is 1. Free initial consult. 2. Plan of action. 3. Implement and execute. A mutual non-disclosure agreement is available if necessary. Pathways to support. How we work with you. Remote services is often the first step. In-shop services are by appointment at our Murfreesboro location. On-site services are offered within 50 miles of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Let's solve your next technical challenge. Our initial consultation is the first step toward a solution. Email us at support@techbravo.net and visit techbravo.net today. In the first